Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to charge your phone using your speaker SVEN PS-950. All you need to have is just USB-A to USB-C cable, but if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-A or even micro USB to USB-A. So just open the plug at your speaker at the top. And right here we have USB-A port, so just connect USB-A cable here and USB-C port to your phone. Now make sure that your speaker is turned on. And right now we can see that the phone starts charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.